Yeah, today was a tricky. We thought even on Friday and perhaps even yesterday that today might have been our hardest day. We forecast light winds, and light winds and choppy sea doesn't go all that well for our boat, but we hung in there and had some good results today, so we're very pleased with those results today. Yesterday was a really good day for us because long courses we can do well, and sometimes we don't do all that well, And yesterday, our third, I think it was yesterday, was a great result, and that sort of set us up for today, to be honest. And the first day, well, first 4 bullets, 4 firsts, couldn't ask anything any better. So it was a fantastic day. The crew work for the whole weekend was excellent. Very pleased. I mean, the crew's a lot of us family. The seven out of the 13 are family. So very pleased with that, and we all get on really well, and we all have fun. And that's the main thing, I think, and that sort of generates the results that we get. So we're very pleased.